This 1968 super rare Chevelle Concours was only a 14-month production from 1968 to early 1969. A total of 4,100 were built. This included 4-door sedans, wagons, sport coupes, and a handful of Concours big block supersports. Legend has it that one ultra rare SS was shipped to Canada, also known as the Mystery Chevelle. The Concours-equipped cars included longer armrest, 16-inch emblems on the front fenders, nameplate on trunk lid, and a extremely rare die-cast fin trim piece between the brake lights. Motor options was the full line offered in 68 and 69 from inline 250 to the 396/409, 375 horsepower. The interior was of a higher quality as the car had a special custom heavy insulation throughout. This ex-service car is a great example and will be going to a new home. We give a big thanks to Arden's Motorsport for this opportunity, as there is a very slim chance we will ever see one again. Like if you also never heard of this car model. Thanks for watching, as we need all your support to grow this channel.